All right, today we're going to assemble our Trammel toy. So click Assembly. And then if we look at our Trammel toy, we're going to kind of start at the bottom with the base. So we're going to start with, of course, the bottom base. So that makes sense. So we're going to place base bottom. These are the ones you drew. Okay, click once, then hit Escape to get out. Now this first base, you want to kind of set it like you want it to sit, which since I drew mine facing down from the top, if not, adjust your view cube so you get this view. Okay, then we're going to right click on it in the model bar, and we go down and we're going to click Grounded. That means it won't move. So everything now we attach will attach exactly like we want and stay in this isometric view that we currently have. Okay, now we're going to put the base top on top of the base bottom. It's amazing how those words work out, isn't it? Okay, so we're just going to use our constraints. So these are all just mate flushes. Okay, so we have mate. We're going to mate the top of the bottom with the bottom of the top. We're going to apply, then we're going to flush the right side with the right side, apply that, and the bottom side with the bottom side, and say OK. Now if we click our house, boom, we've got that attached. Okay, and I think I did it correctly. Yes, see, look, all the holes line up, so you can kind of check, make sure your holes line up. Okay, then we need to place all these other little parts up here. Those 4 little squares, the blocks, it's the lower left, upper right, lower right. So we drew a couple of them, so I'm going to do my upper left guide block, place him in there. Okay, again we're going to just do the mate flush. So I'm going to mate the bottom of this, and this was the upper left, so he's going to go here. Okay, so we're going to apply that, and then we have to figure out what side we're going on. So you can see there's 2 sides with kind of these channels notched out, so those go towards the middle. So I think he's lined up exactly like I want him, so this one will be easy. So we're just going to flush this side here, or the left side there, say apply, and then flip it around at the back and flush those 2 together and say OK. Alright, we got the first piece on there. Now let's go get the next one. So we did the upper left, let's do the lower left guide block, say open that one, click him. Okay, again we're going to do a mate flush flush. So we're going to mate here with the bottom in the hole there. I'm going to say apply. Now we can see this one, the grooves are not correct, right? They should be towards the inside, so we got to rotate this guy around like a full, I think just 90 degrees. So this side up here at the top is going to flush over to this side over here. At least that's the way I see it. So let's give it a try and see what it looks like. That is not right, see, because that groove should be in the middle. So we're going to try that second one again. We're going to move him around over here. Now we look at it, and then it's good. So see, you can adjust as you go. You notice these 2 are both rounded, and these 2 are both squared. So it all looks great. So we're going to apply that, but then we also have to flush this back side here. And now I'll zoom it back in, and we're looking good. So let's go get some more parts. So we did the left, so let's do the upper and lower right. So there's the upper right corner of guide block. Say open that guy. Okay, we're going to make flush flush again. So we're going to make the bottom of this to the bottom of that. Say apply. Now you can see again, he's kind of rotated around. We got to have those grooves. So we're going to go full 180, I believe. But again, let's give it a try. So I think that side's going to go